Hey my friend, welcome back to the How to Make Money Online in 2020 video series. This is the essential things that you need to get your business online. So let's jump right in. Share my screen and hopefully we can see this okay. All right, so let's start out here. This is the essential things you need to get your business online. This is the overview screen. We're going to talk about the essential things, tools your business needs in order to be online, because you can't have an online business without an online presence, okay? You're going to need a domain name. You're going to need a website / page or sales funnel builder, and you're going to need an autoresponder. So these three things are key elements to have in order to have an online presence, aka an online business. Now let's talk about your domain name. We talked a little bit about this in the branding video, but I want to reiterate and go over again what you need for your domain name. Now by now you should already have a brand name in mind, and maybe you already got your domain name, but your domain name is essential to your online business and your online presence. So you can get a domain name at GoDaddy or Namecheap. There's other places out there. I prefer GoDaddy, but that's just me. Now choose a .com name if possible. There's all kinds of other extensions out there, probably 20, 30, 50, I don't know how many extensions there are anymore, but .com is the most recognizable. They hold their value the better. It's building a better digital asset. And most people, if you give them a name, they're going to type .com by default. Choose a domain name that's easy to spell and pronounce. Very, very important, okay? You can always Google GoDaddy coupon code, and normally you'll find a 20 to 30% discount out there for the domain name with the coupon code. So always do that before you get your domain name if you do it through GoDaddy. And again, don't overthink this. Your domain name may change several times down the road, or you may have multiple domains in the future like I do. Last count, I had at one point like 25 domains. I think I'm down to 15 now, but I have multiple domains because I had different ideas and different things for branding. However, don't overthink this and don't get too complicated about this. Just go with the one domain name for now. That's all you need. Just choose one that fits your brand, and we talked about the brand, your brand name in another video. Get your domain name and move forward. That's it. Procrastination and indecision hold so many people back. That's one of the number one things that holds people back. So just make a decision and go with it. Now most domain names are anywhere from $4.99 to $20 per year, depending on what the name is. If it's a .com. If you choose the security and other things, in other words, when you get your domain name, it's going to ask if you want to keep it secure by not putting your information, your name and stuff out there for people to see. I think that's an extra $7 or $8 per year to hide your information. Totally up to you. If you want to keep it on a budget, don't worry about all that stuff. If you want to keep your privacy a little bit more, then maybe you pay the extra $8 or $10 per year to keep your name private. One more thing I want to mention on GoDaddy is when you get your domain name, they'll try to offer you upsells for email marketing and web hosting. You do not need those, okay? I suggest it's an upsell process, and that's okay that they have the upsell process, but you don't need the website or the email or any of the other upsells they offer other than the security for your domain if you choose to do that. So just get your domain name. Don't get web hosting or email marketing from GoDaddy, in my opinion, and just keep it straight, simple. Just get the domain name itself. Now GoDaddy, you can just go to GoDaddy.com. They've got a big search bar there. You put in the domain name you're looking for, and if it's available, it'll say it's available. If it's not available, then they will offer suggestions that are close to that name. You can look at those suggestions, or if you took my advice in the branding video, maybe you have 5 different names you put in a hat. Maybe you can choose one of those other names. Just go through there. Again, if you want to brand yourself, just brand yourself instead of a company. Yourname.com, workwithyourname.com, either your first name or whatever. If you're first and last name is very short. You can put your entire name in there. You can do success with. You can put whoisyourname.com. All kinds of options in there. Just make a decision and go ahead and get your domain name. Okay, number 2, we got our domain name. Hopefully now we need a website/web page presence on the internet. Okay, so the website is the heart of your business. It really is. And if you do it right with your website and your sales funnel all bundled into one, it's like having a virtual army of salespeople working for you 24/7 by 365. They never call in sick. They never get mad at you because it's this little virtual army of salespeople just working through your website and your sales process. Now, it's the wash plant of your gold mining operation. Now, I kind of like this series that's on Discovery called Gold Rush. It's about these people that are mining for gold up in Alaska, and they have a wash plant there. And what they do is they dig all this dirt and they put the dirt through this wash plant, and it filters out of all this tons and tons of dirt going through there, hundreds and hundreds of yards of dirt per hour. It filters out the gold nuggets, the little pieces of gold that's in there. And at the end of the week, they do a cleanup of the wash plant, and they pull out all the gold and they weigh it up. So really, this website/sales funnel is the wash plant of your business, your online business. It's taking all the traffic and leads that are going to your website, and it's taking them and putting them through your sales funnel, aka your wash plant, and then it's pulling out the gold, aka the sales, the conversions, the money off of the traffic that's coming in. So keep it simple. Again, a 2-page website is more than fine. Have an opt-in page, which is just a page that has a place for somebody to enter their email address, and then a thank you page, which is just either a sales page or a thank you page, is saying, hey, thanks for your email. Here's what you're going to get. It's being delivered to your email inbox right now. And by the way, this is an awesome product that I think you would really get a lot of value out of, and give them a chance to buy your product there. There's different ways of doing the sales page, the thank you page, the bridge page, but you really only need a 2-page site in order to have success. And that's not counting the privacy policy and the terms and conditions and other things that, we'll get into the details later, but basically it's just 2 pages and link to your privacy policy and other things. Don't worry about all those right now. Now, you can build this website/sales funnel page with what they call WordPress, which is a very popular software, the most popular software out there for building websites. But it's not that easy. It really isn't. I worked with WordPress for years and years and years, and it's a bit frustrating, okay? You may need a developer, and I'm pretty technical, and it's frustrating for me. If you're not technical, it can be very, very frustrating, and you may need to hire a developer to set everything up just right, and to, especially if you're trying to set up a sales funnel off of that WordPress site, because WordPress really isn't set up for a sales funnel. It's set up more for like blogging and stuff out of the box. But anyway, just know that you can do it, but it's a lot more complicated. Now, there's other products out there like Thrive Themes, Thrive Architect, Optimize Press, but they are not super easy. In fact, they're more complicated and more expensive. Now, there's software as a service, which I love. And my favorite software as a service is the HBA Funnel Builder. And it's my favorite because it's easy, it's fast, it's simple to use, it connects to your domain, your website. And software as a service is basically, this software is hosted on some of the platform. This one happens to be hosted on Amazon Web Services. And it's good because as low overhead, you don't have anything run on your computer or anything else. And you just log in, and there's pre-built templates that are already there for you. You just click this template, you update the wording, aka your copywriting, your headlines and stuff. You upload your picture on there, and boom, you're up and running. Really, really simple and quick and easy and fast. And the page load times are very fast, and that's important to your customers, because people are more and more impatient. If they go to your website and it takes forever to load, they're going to bounce. They're going to jump off and go somewhere else. You don't want that. With the HBA Funnel Builder, it loads just like that. It's very quick. Now, ClickFunnels is a super great product. It's probably the best and well-known page builder out there, sales funnel software out there. However, it's more expensive. For example, the HBA funnel builder is $25 per month, and ClickFunnels starts out at $97 per month. And then if you want more features, it goes up to about $300 per month. And then there's upsells after that. So that's why I've used ClickFunnels in the past. I've used all these in the past. And that's why I recommend the HBA Funnel Builder. It's cheaper. It's easy to use. It's fast. It's a no-brainer for me. So that's my recommendation. Now, again, this allows you to more easily automate and scale your business. And the HBA Funnel Builder comes with free training academy, which is step-by-step training on how to set everything up. So you're not left by yourself to figure everything out. Now, again, you can grab the HBA Funnel Builder here at moneyinthecloud.com/builder. If you buy through my link, I've got a special bonus for you at the end of this. I'll tell you about. But again, it's $25 a month, and it has an awesome affiliate program, which means if you want to be an affiliate, it's free to be an affiliate and recommend it to other people. If they buy through your affiliate link, it pays out 80% commissions or $20 per month per sale, which is pretty freaking awesome for affiliate marketing. Most affiliate programs don't pay out near that much. In fact, the highest that they usually pay out is 50%. Most of them, like Amazon, pays out less than 10%. This is 80% commission, so it's an awesome, awesome product. One last thing on the HBA Funnel Builder. For every $100 that affiliates make, the company provides enough meals to feed starving children for, I believe, like 3 or 4 days. And so far they've bought over 70,000 of these meals. And so just realize that the money, the 80% that they pay you, the 20% that the company's making, out of that 20%, they're buying food for starving children around the world. And I think that's an awesome thing. All right, here's an example of a lead capture page off of the HBA Funnel Builder. Just one example of a lead capture page I put together real quick. And again, this is there's all kinds of different templates in here. This is one of a lot of different ones, but this is just an example. Here are some of the templates they have in the back office of the HBA Funnel Builder. There's many ones in there. You can make your own, or you can copy some of these that are already there. I think some of these are pretty cool. It's got like Chris Farley on there and different things. But there's just many different templates to choose from. Just know that. This is a screenshot of the Funnel Builder Academy. That's the free training site that comes with the HBA Funnel Builder. When you purchase, you get access to this free training. Tons of training in here, step by step, very easy to understand. You can stop the videos at any time, watch along, then go back and implement, watch and implement. Very good. The two people that own this company, one of them is Mike. Mike does all the training, most of the training. Paul does some of the training, but Mike's very good at explaining technical jargon in a non-technical way, and that's his skill set there. All right, now that you have the first two, you've got your domain name set up, you've got your website /sales funnel presence, web page presence. Now you need an email autoresponder, okay? The third last thing that you need to, the essential things that you need to be online, have an online business. Now, your email autoresponder is your primary method of communication with your leads and customers. You build your email list. I think most people have heard this, but if you haven't, the money is in the list. You need to really focus on your online business, on building your email list, because if anything else changes, you always have that email list to go back and email offers to provide value, services, and the bigger the list, the more money you should make. So you want to build your email list. It's the biggest asset of your online business. It really is. You need to build that email list. A lot of people focus on making money up front. That's really the wrong way. You really should focus on building your email list and then providing value, building rapport, building that know, like, and trust, and becoming a trust advisor. And then when you make recommendations, people will buy from you. Now, you integrate this with your website and your sales funnel, and then once somebody opts in, aka puts in their email address and clicks the button to get whatever you're offering, you can send them a series of emails to educate and guide them closer to a buying decision, okay? It's been proven over and over, and there's studies that most people don't buy on the first introduction to a product or service. Industry averages used to say it took 7 touches for somebody to feel to buy. So in other words, if they go through and they click on your page and they enter their email address and you're offering them something, most people won't buy at that point. But if you send them emails and follow up with emails, after they've seen or been introduced to that product at least 7 times, then they're educated to make that buying decision. That's when most people make the buying decision. So you send out periodic broadcasts, which is basically, I'm going to send an email right now, I'm going to send it to my list. Or you could have what they call a follow-up series, which is an automated process that email goes out one after another for several days. You can have a follow-up series for 5 days, for 7 days, for 30 days. I've even seen follow-up series for as much as 200 to 300 days. A little long, in my opinion. I usually try to keep them 7 to 10 days, maybe less. Now, for beginners, I think the 2 best autoresponders are Aweber and GetResponse. Now, there are more advanced out there like ActiveCampaign, which is very good, but usually the more advanced are more expensive. Aweber and GetResponse are very cost effective. I think Aweber is $20 per month or $19.99 per month for 500 subscribers. GetResponse is $15 per month for 1,000 subscribers. Very cost effective. So I recommend GetResponse. I use both GetResponse and Aweber and a few others. I recommend GetResponse because it's a little bit more user friendly. It's got a better user interface, and you get more subscribers for the money. You get 1,000 subscribers right out of the gate for $15 per month. And you can get GetResponse by going over to moneyinthecloud.com/GetResponse. Now, when you go over there, you're going to see a screen like this. You want to click on the blue button to sign up free, and there's a free 30-day trial, okay? So you don't have to even pay for 30 days. So you can get your free trial, you can get set up and get everything going for free, all right, for the first 30 days. And again, I can't say enough about GetResponse and Aweber, but it's super easy to use. It's user friendly. It's marketer friendly, which means there's some email platforms out there that don't like affiliate links. They don't like affiliate marketing. They can actually close your account down for that. And I've heard horror stories from other people that I know that have had that happen. GetResponse has always been super friendly for affiliate marketing and such. So head on over to moneyinthecloud.com/GetResponse to get the email marketing or your email autoresponder. Again, $15 a month for 1,000 subscribers. You don't need the Pro, the Max, or the Enterprise right now. If you're just starting out, you just need the basic version, the email marketing, $15 per month, 1,000 subscribers, okay? All right, congrats. Once you've done all this, you are now online, my friend. You have an online business because you can't be online if you don't have all these things to have the online presence and the online business, the key things that you need to have that business. So if you still need help setting everything up, if you purchase these tools through my links, you can send an email to the support email address here, support@moneyinthecloud.com, with a screenshot of your invoices that confirm that you've paid. Once I confirm your payment, we can reach out to you and schedule a quick call, and me and my team will help you get everything set up correctly, okay? You just respond to that email if you have any questions or you need help. Again, if you buy through my links, this is a bonus that I'm offering you. I will be there for you to help answer questions, help you set everything up, and make sure you got everything set up correctly, okay? I always want to leave you with this. Success is out there, my friend. It is, but it's not coming to you. You must go get it. You must go get success. All right? All right, let me stop my screen sharing. All right, so that's it for this video. These are the essential things that you need, the 3 things you need to have an online business and an online presence. You need a domain name. You need a website/page builder, and you need email autoresponder, okay? The 3 simple things that you need, you can go ahead and get those set up, and you will have your online business online and ready to go, all right? Hope you got a lot of value out of this. Again, this is part of the How to Make Money in 2020 online, How to Make Money Online in 2020 video series. All of these videos, you should be able to reference the other videos or see them in another place. Click to there. Or if you ever have any questions, just reach out to me, comment below, let me know. So don't forget to like and comment on this video and let me know how you liked it. All right, that's it for this video. I'm Todd G, and I will see you, my friend, in another video.